What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick trade recap over my 2 trades from this morning, what I did right, what I could have did better. So yeah, I made $1,360 today, $1,360 today. So I'm going to show you how. So first, going into the day, I wanted to see these relative equal highs on ES and Q at equal highs. That's what I wanted to see. But in order for us to reach those, I expected price to rebalance to discount of this range, but we never did. So my bias going into it, or once the market opened, we had this strong move up, swept these highs, instant breaker structure to the downside on the 1 minute. This is known as a 1 minute unicorn model because it's a breaker fair value gap right here. I expected this to hold, so once we came into it, I zoomed into the 15-second chart, waiting for a break of structure, which we never got. I can come back. I'll come back and show you. We never really broke structure to the downside here, so I never took the entry. I avoided that loss. I then noticed that we closed above here on the 1 minute. That's when I tried low risk longs, just because we did have a lot of low resistance liquidity below us, and we could have easily just came and grabbed that. So yeah, I tried it with 2 contracts. I took off both my positions here at new week opening gap, just because new week opening gap usually can act as a strong area of support or resistance, and you see price was respecting it. And we also had an SMT at the highs. So once I saw us begin to have these body closes, I was like, all right, I'm just take off all. This trade netted me about $670. So yeah, and then for the second trade, pretty simple. Came, swept the highs, inverse 5-minute fair value gap. I definitely should have held this, and I had it in my pre-market analysis that if we did sweep these highs, we're most likely going to rebalance to at least this low right here, because it lines up with discount of the range, as you can see when I would draw it out. Discount of the range, this low right here, this should have been my target. I just got out early because I was content with what I had already made, and I didn't really feel the need to, not even gonna say be greedy, but I didn't want to risk giving back what I'd already made. So I just took off early once we came to this low right here. But looking at the 5 minute, we definitely have a lot of room to even come to London or Asian low. But it's Monday, done before 10 o'clock. Couldn't ask for it any other way. So yeah, that's what I did right. I did a good job at staying patient, and I'm waiting for just what I wanted to see. And then what I could have did better is just disattach myself from the money a little bit and just trading strictly off of structure, because I closed both times. I'm not gonna say I could have held for the first one. That was like a hit or miss. Sometimes we will leave those equal highs, sometimes we won't. I found it's just better for me to take profits, because I've had situations like that where we haven't, or where I try to hold and we end up reversing off the SMT and the bearish imbalance. So I just decided to close off that first entry, which I'm not entirely mad at. The second one definitely could have held a lot lower, at least to this low. I think we can even come a lot lower, but it's all good. You live and you learn. It's Monday. It's a no news Monday. I didn't really expect much. I honestly didn't expect to trade today. So I'm happy with the results. Hope you can learn something from this. And yeah, thank you for watching.